So here we are at the Corvus Energy factory. We're getting ready to test our AT2300 energy module, and it's going to be cranking a Cat 14-liter diesel engine, full compression, full test. Fire it will, boys. From what I understand, that will run that crank and that starter for about 15 minutes continuous, if it was ever required. However, we don't think that will ever be necessary. I think if it doesn't run in 15 minutes, you've got some other problems. The only issues would be keeping enough big enough wires between the battery and right now they're doing a thermal sensor on the cabling just to make sure that the resistance isn't too high in the cables. But like I said, that would be the only place where we would find issues.
These guys at first will be charging up by themselves. They're not charged up.